Waiting in the room for the executive session to start. We are waiting for our outside counsel to arrive before we start. Okay, we're ready to roll.
Commissioner McDaniel?
No, are we?
Oh, why what? Yes, we're live.
Okay.
I said that.
I missed that. Good morning, everybody in the room and online. Today is January 21st, 2025. This is a special meeting of the Board of County Commissioners. We will have a quick agenda approval, and then we'll move on to an executive session. Before we get started, though, if we could have the roll call, please.
Commissioner McDaniel?
Here.
Commissioner Schroeder?
Here.
Commissioner Buck?
Here. Okay, we have a quorum. With that, I would accept a motion to approve the agenda as presented.
I make a motion that we approve the agenda as presented.
Second. All in favor, please say aye.
Aye.
Aye. The agenda is approved. We had one item on the agenda today, and that was for an executive session. With that, I would accept a motion for us to go into executive session.
Mr. Chairman, I hereby move that the Elbert County Board of County Commissioners go into executive session with the county attorney and other counsel, Matthew Hagerty, pursuant to Colorado Revised Statute 24-6-4024B, to conference with the county counsel to receive legal advice on specific legal questions or issues, and to discuss legal matters or advice on matters that are privileged or confidential between attorney and client, issues involving and determining positions relative to matters that may be subject to hearing, review, or determining positions or strategy relative to matters that may be subject to negotiations. Developing strategy for negotiations and instructing negotiators pursuant to CRS 24-6-4024E of the Colorado Revised Statutes. Specifically, I move that the Board of County Commissioners go into an executive session to discuss legal advice on specific questions related to litigation pending in Elbert County District Court between the Elbert County Board of County Commissioners and the Elbert County Sheriff's Office, case number 2024 CV 30091.
Second. I have a motion and a second for us to enter into executive session to discuss pending litigation. All those in favor, please say aye. 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 We are in executive session. The time is now 11:44, and the Board of County Commissioners will now come back out of executive session. The participants in the executive session were Matthew Hagerty, County Attorney Bart Greer, County Manager Sean Fletcher, Commissioner Dallas Schroeder, Commissioner Mike Buck, and Commissioner Byron McDaniel. The board took no formal action in contravention of Section 24-6-4024 of the Colorado Revised Statutes, and no adoption of any proposed policy, position, resolution, rule, or regulation took place. For the record, if any person who participated in the executive session believes that any substantial discussion of any matters not included in the motion to go into executive session occurred during the executive session, or that any improper action occurred during the executive session in violation of the Colorado Open Meetings Law, I would ask you to state your concerns for the record. Hearing none, we have no further items on our agenda for today. Therefore, I would entertain a motion for us to adjourn.
Make a motion to adjourn. Second.
We have a motion and a second to adjourn for the day. All in favor, please say aye.
Aye.
Aye. We are adjourned.